I'm gonna teach you how to make a fridge, like I told you. So first you must make a door 5 millimeters long. Also you have to turn on grid lines, and the length needs to be 10 millimeters over here, and then is the zoom. You see over here it changes. If you zoom in, the more it is, it's just showing you the length, the zoom. I made my own lines. So how to do it is create a little square this big and then copy all of this. But in YouTube, remember, sometimes I did a trick on my sleeve. If I do that, I can also copy someone's thing, like an object in YouTube, and then I just copied it in Algodoo, and then boom, I can play it. So if you want to do that, I don't know how to teach you, but you can copy this later. So what I made is making a 4 block, a 5 block, a 4 block, and wait, what? No, 4 block, 5 block, 4 block, 1, 2, wait, what? 7 block over here and 5 block over here. Also, it's not fixated over here with the axle. It's kind of. Also, sometimes if it's touching on the bottom, you'll see it turns weird. Dang. And it flicks your eyes. Also, what you can do is you can freeze water by making a 3 by 1, like on the bottom over here is 4 millimeters and on the top is 12 millimeters. And you're gonna put this good and do. And then you're gonna put this right in the fridge, or you can use the thing, and then you put it in. This is not a thing, it's a lid. Okay, and then you make the collision layers and check. Oh no 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 check. Okay, just undo this shortcut, and then after you do it, pause the simulation, liquefy this object, and then it will automatically go inside over here. I can tell you what's this later, but today in the video. So first it drops water in, and then after that it may go freeze. I'll show you, like tick tock tick tock tick tock. Just wait, and that is gonna freeze. I think tick. There it is. It freezed. Okay, and if there's any gaps, you can oh, just gap. And then, but if there's more lasers, sometimes they can stack up each other and can make little gaps like this. If you want to make gaps, sometimes if water is mixed together, they might build up like freeze water, and then it go. Yeah, sometimes water can stick items. I'll show you. Pause the simulation. Make 2 objects, however you want it to be, and then place them together and 1 block far away and uh, a little close, and then you make a small block liquefy, and then you freeze water, and then it shows. See, I told you. Look, what happens if I fling this thing? It's a stick. I told you. So water, if you want to turn it into ink, like cartoon, you can go to appearance, and then you can do it as glue or ink or um what ice. Also, you can change the appearance. It's fun. The appearance is fun. And also, you can make it disappear to trick your friends. Like if you have a friend, you can trick them like disappearing this and ask your friend why is this thing stuck together. You say that to your friend, and then your friend is gonna be confused because to make your friend confused, even more, you must disappear it like this. Go to 0 and draw boulders, disable the draw boulders, and then it's confused. So, if you draw boulders, I'll show you what happens. Draw boulders, rainbow. See, the boulders show you where the appearance is. Uh, it's kind of flat with the skin, so it can tell you. So your friend can cheat with the draw boulders. So clear boulders. Wait, what just happened? Oh, just okay. Yeah, yeah. Water can stick stuff, but if there's no water, it doesn't even stick. But until it collides with water, let's see, liquefy, and then what happens if I'm not sure. Freeze water. And then if you try to take this off, look what happened. Look, it's frozen. My simulation is playing and it's frozen. See, and if you loosen this thing, this ice, loosen it, go to you see, it breaks apart. Uh, and also, if this is stuck, you can jump into reactions, the loosened, and then you can open and close it. Also, ice is very slippery. It can slip because of water is slippery. Water slippery, ice slippery, glass is not, but a little slippery. You can't make a gas chamber, but you can do it with coating. Also, you can coat with ice when you freeze it. See? Also, you can use this to make cement. Okay, fine, whatever. Cement. I don't know how to say cement. It's just hard to say, okay? And then sometimes if it collides with frozen water, it freezes. I'll say that later. Let's see. As you can see, you can't drag objects that are attached to the background or frozen. So it comes like this. But sometimes it can stick together with ice. Like water, ice still can. Water opposition of sweet water. See? 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 So it's pretty fascinating. Just fun. Let's loosen this. Also, it can be shaped in any container you put it in. Flat, squarey, triangle-y, anything. It only shapes what it's shaped like. Like, you wanna know this thing? Let me make a triangle with water. I'll show you how to make a triangle. It's easy. Easy. And then we'll do this. And copy. Just turn it like this. Just release that. And then take it flat. And then you just put in big object there. And then you just put it inside here. Liquefy it. Uh, remember, fixate it, and then over here you no, and then you just select and select again, freeze water, and then you just erase all the fixate. You erase this, you erase this, you erase this, and you get a nice rectangle. No, triangle. Triangle is what it is, and you get a nice triangle eye. Yeah, it only shapes what container or anything you put it on. Oh, the video. Oh, also, you can um loosen all the ice, as you can make any ice you want with water. I'll show you. So let me loosen this good ice. Ding. What the hell? Loosen. Okay. Okay. Um. I'm a little frustrated. Why isn't this? It's just this little idiot thing. Okay. Let's loosen it. Go to geometry actions. Is where you press when you select an item, and then it's gonna loosen it. It's like geometry actions. It doesn't have a picture. Loosen. Also, when you select an item, you can also see some velocities, information. You can see pictures. Yeah, that's fun. And what's very fascinating is you can turn ice into helium. You can turn ice into helium. And you can turn it into gold because it's already an object. You know what's object? Some kind of ice or object. So gold is heaviest, helium is lightest. You know? To make a nice squarey cube, you must delete all the ice. Also, I'm gonna give you a tool. Okay. Whoop. Oh, they're all water. That's good. Erase all water. Hey, erase. Okay. Oh, dang it. Just yeah, I'm gonna kill. So it kills anything that touches the floor, and then I'm disable it. Emotional is like when an emotional object collides. I'm gonna call it collides an object that's a killer. It won't be killed because it is emotional. But if it's not emotional, it won't be. Then it will be killed. Also, I'm done with this, so we're gonna close the lid and save that. You can save it anything you want. Let's say random letter. You're here. Yeah, just auto random. And I have this ragdoll thing. I have a ragdoll. Also, I can move him with the arrow keys. It's pretty funny. I can move him and trap him in a chamber. It's what I made. Cool. The sentence I also have these. Let me. And it turns and jing. Also, there's a little leak over here, and I can turn it on. Pew, 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 and it powers the gears. It's pretty fun. Also, what's very fascinating is this turning thing can speed up the water limit and then it goes empty a lot fast. And liquefy, a little leak, also is fast. If you put more water, the gears are more fast. That's what I like. Uh, also, what's very fantastic is you can have no self-collision, which means if they both have no self-collisions, they'll just ignore each other. They won't collide. They'll just go through each other. Okay. And my other senses is Putin. The all-time do. You say the 1 trillion king is stronger than the button, but if I just increase the button a little bit, it's constant, or the button is a little strong. Zoom in and you'll see it's a little strong. It's getting a little up. Okay, I say button strong, but if also if you know what this says, it's just the kg stands for kilogram. One trillion, one, no matter. Okay, 1 trillion, I don't know. Putin is kind of like a sprinkler. Let's see. It's a sprinkler, and this is spongified, but it's not made out of steel. It also sprays out water, and over here. It sprays out water. And what is funny is I can destroy it by freezing the water. Ah! Ah! Sometimes if water doesn't collide anything and you uh freeze it, then it's separate. Oh look, I have whoop, I have some ice stuff in here. Okay, let me pull it out. Okay, that's fun. Sometimes it sprays on the other side to save water, and then it repeats. But if the water goes this way, it gets pumped out of it. What I also made is a blender. This does not look like a blender, but it is a blender. It's a blender. I show you. Let me okay. Let me spongify it, and the axles go to 38. Yes, it's just because of the strip menu. I coded by myself. I didn't use YouTube. I just coded other dot e equal arrow e dot other point velocity space equal x equal -100 and comma no space, and over here space y equals 0, no space, and then just my next sentence is I like atoms. Oh, also this is a magnetic field generator. You can see that it's spinning the gears, and if I reverse it, it changes the gear's position with this giant magnet. It has a south pole which attracts items and a north pole that repels items. I'll show you why. It's because of the material. You can see the attraction is negative, which repels stuff. And over here is positive, which attracts stuff very strongly. And it's spinning pretty fast. Also, what's pretty fantastic is if I drop an item, the repelling force wins. That's why it repels. See? But the attractive force doesn't. Sometimes I play Bomb Breaker 2.0, which is pretty fun. It's fun. Where's that? Also, sometimes it goes around like a magnetic field. That's why it shakes so weird. Also affects on liquefy, but also sorts them into little pieces. Look. 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 Oh! This is fun. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It spins around and it affects on water. Also freeze. Oh, it exploded. Okay. One of my next ones. Let's see. Ooh, a mountain. I'll have to turn this back. Good. That's one. And then I'll use Jackal. A second. Can I charge this? Yeah, I can charge it however I want because I want to charge it all. And if it's not negative, hold on a second. I'm just see. If it's not negative, it attracts. But if it is negative, it just repels. Repel is something that pushes away, and attract is something that comes together. So if it's not negative, it's attracting. You can see this beautiful view. Yeah, I don't know what's this. I don't know how to call it. So let's. Oh, also there's block game too. It's very new. I can move it with arrows. So it says a simple block game. Use the drag tool to move the block to the flap. Sorry, there's no flap. Okay. I'll have to set this equals to infinite. Let's see if I can do this level. Let's see if I can do it. Play. Whee! I can move it with arrows. Ooh. This is a velocity pad. This is a velocity pad, and it lets things go up. And is and this is a neutraling pad. It's pretty simple. It just brings down objects. Can I see? And this is the slippery point. I get to jump. Pew, 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 and floating, and floating, and floating. Also, what's very fun is you can zoom out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa. Go up, 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 up. The tracer shows where you're going at last time. It's pretty fun. Also, you can roll yourself. Excuse me. Also, you can float. Ah! Okay, I just didn't want to touch that path. Okay. Can I do it? Go up. Of course I can do it because it's mine. It's my game. Also, what I can do is roll, jump. Ha! Jump. I can jump, fly. I'm moving my blob with arrows, not the jackal. Press space to stop in a dime, which pauses the simulation so you can, if they're almost flying into a trap, you can pause in a dime and then see, you can pause in a dime. And what's very cheating is you can go through items. But after that, you go with. Okay, that's better. Let's move. Also, Spongerfly can make it like a block. See, if you disable the look, uh, uh, it looks shaky. As long as you stop, you can see that you are blocked. So if you fly, you're a circle, but if you touch an object, you deform or something. You can be crushed. Yeah, don't let me touch it. Oh, good. I have good archery. And shift, stop in a dime. Okay, I was stopping in a dime. Okay. Whee! And fly. No, no. Fly. And stop. And down arrow. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't want to. Okay, I fell into spikes. And this is pretty uniform. Also, this can let you slip. You slip on it. See? You slip with no friction. But what's very weird is I placed one axle and one fixate on the top. Here. It's very funny. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the? Okay, I've been killed with this thing. See? It's a killer. Wait a second. What did I just see? Fine texture. Fine texture? Uh, what the heck? What the hell? Oh, okay, that was funny. Okay, fine texture. Let's do that again. What the? Are you kidding me? Okay, let's do it again. Clear texture. Oh, what the? What? And fine texture. Algodoo. Oh, that's cool. Algodoos. Cool. Gears. If you place gears, they create axles. Yeah, it is gonna be a long video. Blob game does. Let's see. Blob game. That's the old blob game. Ooh, rocket 101. Let's try that. This may crash my computer, so just pull it off the balls first. Better, no crashes. And wait. Oh yes, it's gonna kill the thing. So material, not a killer. No, a killer. So it is a killer, and I'll set off these to material emotion. Good. Oh, oh, forgot. The computer almost crashed and it died. Okay, and is it done yet? Okay, good. So it can touch objects, and it also adds circles. And my computer doesn't crash like this. Just dotting some circles. Also, it can fly. How to code it is like this. Copy it. If you want to see this, you can copy it over here. Send that circle time to live equal 0.5 traction equal nothing, velocity nothing, Also, velocity can equal to, let's see, wait, what the? Okay, wait, where's edge blur? So, resolution on collide state, draw from the color, edge blur. Edge blur equal to 1. Enter. And then you see edge blur. You see edge blur. Edge blur. Edge blur. You can see the edge. Does it look fun? It's like sprinkling. Also, they can collide on objects. Oh, it just loses its bubbles. But it crashes like this because it's not a killer. You're gonna don't crash. Don't crash.